Hi everybody. Today we have the box from Fashionsta for October 2020. I haven't looked in here, so I don't know what's in here, but let's see. Today's theme, or this month's theme, is 20 Soiree. And we have the list of all the products on the back. Alright, okay, so, we have something for hair. This is Bio Repair 8 Thickening Blow Dry Spray. And it has AG Stem Cell Complex and 8 Natural Scalp Fortifiers. It's colorproof and it is a New Beauty 2019 award winner. This should be exciting. I can't wait to try this out. I do blow dry my hair. And next we have from Skin & Co. This is the Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. It's supposed to be ideal for all skin types. Cruelty-free, vegan, non-GMO. Retails for $28. So the price of this alone pays for the box. And the Bio Repair 8 Thickening Blow Dry Spray retails for $32. Okay. Next thing is from Gerard Cosmetics. This is Kiss Assist Lip Plumper. And it retails for $21. Let's see. Okay. Looks like a lip gloss. Smells like candy. Okay, this should be interesting. Next thing is from LA Splash, Golden Gatsby. And it's called Old Money. So let's see what this is. It says, darling, it wouldn't be a party without you. Let's see what this looks like. There it is outside of the box. This is a highlighting palette. And inside, it has a flapper on the inside and the 4 highlighters. And they have names on them. Dough, Mazuma, Sugar, and Scratch. This retails for $28 also. Let's go ahead and swatch these. Here's Dough. And Mazuma. It's beautiful gold color. Sugar. And Scratch. And Scratch is kind of a pink highlighter. It's really pretty. All of them are pretty. Alright, and then next we have a mask from Lapkos. This is the Charcoal Pore Care. And this retails for $3. I don't think I've ever used a charcoal face mask before. And I've used a lot of face masks. Oh wait, is this a peel off? No, it's a sheet mask. See, can you see that? Okay. I've never used a charcoal sheet mask before. Alright, and then the last thing is from George Cleaner. This is a charcoal drying lotion. It retails for $19. And it is cruelty-free, paraben-free, dye-free, and fragrance-free. It says apply this treatment at the first sign of trouble, and you'll wake up to a calm complexion that looks good as new and ready to hit the town. Supports clearer, calmer skin, unblocks and purifies pores, draws out excess oil, relieves redness, puffiness, swelling, and irritation. Okay. It's the perfect time for this with everybody wearing masks and some people having masked me and all of that. Alright, so we got the charcoal drying lotion. The LA Splash highlighting palette. The Lap Coast Charcoal Pore Care Sheet Mask. The Gerard Cosmetics Kiss Assist Lip Plumper. That also doubles as a clear lip gloss. The Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. Just has a very light scent. I'm almost out of my last two, both facial cleansers, so I'll be starting to use this really soon. And the Color Proof Bio Repair 8 Thickening Blow Dry Spray. And it's supposed to strengthen, protect against breakage, leave your hair soft and visibly fuller, and has heat protection up to 450 degrees. I don't use that much heat on my hair, but it's good to know this will protect it. There's also a discount code that says get extra glitzy and glam with the brand names you love. 30% off at Fashionsta.com. Use the code GLITZ30. Okay. So happy Halloween, everybody. These are kiss nails. And the little faces glow in the dark. Alright. That's everything that I got in the box by Fashionsta for October 2020. Thanks for watching. Bye.